So today we are kayaking from Galle Fort all the way to Jungle Beach. Different kind of adventure. Massive swells today. It's easy for us in the kayak, but the paddle boats, they take the brunt of it. Not easy going. Oh, this is a different beast to the river altogether, no? Say hi to the camera. Big swell. There are crazy swells. Look at all the paddle boats bobbing up and down. අපේ නේවි රෙස්කියු මේක මේ ගිලිච්ච කයක් එකනේ. ඔව්. වතුර ගිහිල්ලා. කොහොමද මේ බෝට් වල ගත්තේ? ඉස්සලා ගත්තේ අර වතුර දෙන්න. There you go. Navy 4RU tourist rescue. That's the kayak that went down with our photographing. Okay, so we did a 2.8 kilometer SUP and kayak session from Galle Fort to Jungle Beach over here, and now we are going to go start from here. The rain has come down again, but the wind I think is in our favor, so we're going to start from Jungle Beach again and head over there to Devata Beach, where we will end our adventure for today. So that's about another probably 800 meters. So yeah, taking a bit of rest and then we go on to Devata Beach.